So here we're gonna do a 2022 Kia Telluride. We're gonna do the CV axle on the passenger side. First, get the car secured up on jack stands and make sure you have chocks and stuff to hold it, to keep it in place. Start with the lug nuts. They're 21 millimeters. I'm going to start with shooting this out. It is a 32 millimeter. Next we're going to do is we're going to drop the control arm. So I'm going to remove this cotter pin. Okay, remove the cotter pin. That's a 19 millimeter bolt right there. And there's a washer. Okay, so I always recommend these. These are always handy, so you can rent these. We're gonna use this to separate the control arm without damaging the boot. Okay, so I got that locked in. 15. Okay, not much. It came out, which is nice. And underneath here, there's 2 nuts and a bolt, and they are 17 inches. So we're just gonna loosen it up by hand. I would probably use an impact, but I can't. I don't have a lift. So I'm gonna use a breaker bar. Two nuts and a bolt. I'm gonna put something that will go in the middle of the CV axle. That way I could hit the axle without mushrooming the threads on this. I'm gonna pry this. Off. Okay, so I'll be able to pry that. Put it on the cement over there. Does it look like it's going through? It moved earlier. Yeah, it's moving. Gotta keep hitting it because it's so rusted. See how it mushrooms that? That's why it's better to have something that kind of goes in that hole. Where did I get that? Okay, so after hitting that through, we're just gonna pour this out like this. It's out more. Okay, you pull up. Oh, there we go. Okay. Another tool I recommend is this CV axle puller. This is a great tool. I've used this before. So it's like a slide hammer, and then so for me, I found the easiest way is to come up through the top. You kind of have to maneuver it. It's a little bit difficult, but okay. Okay. So it's in there, and then I'm gonna slide it out this way. I think so. You just hold it. You get what I mean? Okay, with the slide hammer, you can see that it came out. You might be able just to pull it out by hand. Just pull the CV axle out. If it's not working, we'll just keep slide hammering. Okay. Nice. There. All right, now we're just gonna pull the CV axle out. I don't know where it's leaking.
Looks like it's just this.
These axles aren't cheap.
No.
But I thought there was a tear because what happens is dirt gets inside it and your bearings are shot.
That's what I thought too, but I don't understand.
So we got an OEM CV axle for 2022 Kia Telluride.
Miles, so they won't. That's not under the warranty. So I brought the car in
And then line it up in there and okay, we're in. Let me go underneath the car to make sure.
That was pretty easy.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna, okay, if you can pull that out more.
There it goes.
Okay, so now we're gonna have to get this hub. So you want the CV's axle in. I kind of like to take the nut, just kind of just twist it in by hand to kind of just have it hold there. And then
Pushing this arm down and adjusting the wheel.
okay,
So that's what.
yeah, so having two people, one person pushing this down while the other person guides this in. So that's the best way to get that in. Okay, now we put the 217 nut and 17 nut back on. Okay, I would just go ahead and tighten these up. Back in. Yep, get the two nuts in first and then we'll bring that down so the nut will fit on there.
That way it lines up. Yep.
Okay, so we just hand tighten this and we'll torque it down to spec. Okay, now we're gonna get the steering knuckle in, steering rod, washer that goes on top, 19mm nut. Okay, so we're gonna torque this down between 32 to 40 foot-pounds of torque. Okay, with that being in, now we're just gonna stick the cotter pin in and bend the cotter pin out. Okay, so we're good with that. So the two 17mm nuts and the 17mm bolt is 60 foot-pounds of torque.
Yep, looks good.
Okay, 60 foot-pounds. So I'm just gonna shoot this in. The torque spec on this is 206 foot-pounds of torque. And the best thing to do is, if this spins, have someone go in the car and press on the brake while you're torquing it down. So I'm gonna have someone go in the car and press on the brake.
Don't forget to hit this in. Don't forget the other side. Lastly, torque spec your lug nuts to 85 foot-pounds in a star pattern.